What's Daddy doing in here? Huh? He moved your cat tree from over here to over here so you can look out the window. You're excited, huh? It's like a new room, huh? It's gonna be a new room. What do you think? Are you excited? Daddy's over there working hard. Someone's excited. Are you excited, huh? Huh, Zara? Yeah. Yeah. I know, I hear you. I hear you. Are you gonna be the first one on the cat tree? Huh? Are you gonna be the first one up? I think you are. Yep. You're already scoping everything out. You're already scoping it out, huh? Yeah. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you, Zara.
A lot of work up in here.
Daddy's working really hard. It's gonna look good. You're gonna be able to look out at all the birds. Yes. You're gonna be able to look out at all those birds. That'd be fun, huh? You can't go up there yet. No, I knew you were gonna do that, Missy. No, it's not completely hooked up, Missy. You cannot wait. We still have to put all these on here, sweetie. You don't have anything to perch on. Come here. Come here. You better get down from there. I knew you were going to climb up here. It's not even ready yet. Come on. Someone's being mischievous now. You know you're not supposed to get up here yet. You've already gotten up here once. I can see it in your eyes. Oh, I knew it. Oh, girl. Oh, you're gonna jump over here. Now you're able to jump on this thing, huh? Let me move this. Go ahead. Good job. Good job. You are so excited. Look at you. Look at you. You got a brand new room now, huh? You just wait until we're finished. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Your brothers are going to be so excited too. I know. I know. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it awesome? Yeah. Say thank you, Daddy. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Now Kumba's checking it out. Yay! You like it over there, huh? Look at that big old stretch. What do you think? Is it cool over here? Yep, listen to that purr. Thank you, Purrs. Yes. You can jump up. You can jump up. Daddy's got it all secure. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Oh, Zara's gonna get up. Zara's been checking it out. What do you think? You like the new spot, huh? Checking it out. Now it's Taj's turn to check it out. What do you think? You like it, huh? Yeah. I knew you'd like it. You king of the thing? You like it, huh? You like the cat tree on that side? Yeah. You like it? Huh? You get a good view from that spot, huh? You get a good view. You get to see all the birds out there? Come on, let's go get up there. You like it, Kumba? Check it out. Check it out. Oh, he's looking out the window. Yeah. I knew you guys would love it over here.